Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to talk about an unsecured credit card that you can pre-qualify for without affecting your credit. It's going to do a soft pull on your credit. The requirements are pretty low. They do report to all three credit bureaus, and the reason why I'm doing this video about a personal credit card is because I know I talk about business credit and business grants and stuff like that the majority of the time on this channel, but personal credit matters as well, and you having good personal credit can also help you get funding for your business faster than if you have bad credit and you're just starting from scratch and you want to start building up business credit. It may take a little bit longer for you to actually get revolving lines of credit and stuff to fund your business, because you do have to start with trade lines, vendor trade lines first in order to build up that credit profile for your business. And that's only if you have bad personal credit and you want to just try to get business credit by building up your business credit profile and not using yourself as a personal guarantee, and you also don't have any collateral or anything like that. But the Destiny MasterCard has a pre-qualification application that does not affect your credit score, so it's not going to be any impact to you. It won't cost you anything to try and see if you can get approved. You can get approved with bad credit. Now, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you subscribe, because I do talk about business credit, business grants, personal credit as well, and more. So subscribe and hit that bell icon for notifications on when I release videos. So again, this is an unsecured credit card. You do not need to have a deposit. They have 24/7 access online. When you are approved, you'll be able to access your account 24/7. And if you are not approved for the Destiny MasterCard, they will refer you to other credit cards. You can get a secured credit card or another unsecured credit card from a different company. So they do have a fast application. It literally only takes like 2 to 3 minutes or less to fill out that application. You will get an immediate response most of the time. Report to all three of the major credit bureaus. Also, here's a little bit of information about the Destiny MasterCard. They are issued by First Electronic Bank. They are member FDIC insured, and they're also serviced by Genesis FS Card Services. So in order to apply, you have to be, of course, 18 years old or older. You need to have a valid social security, valid address. You cannot have any previous Destiny MasterCard accounts that have charged off due to delinquency. You have to meet the additional credit qualifications, and that includes a review of income and your debt, and as well as an identity verification as well. Okay, so if you have bad credit or limited credit, they still consider you even if you have a prior bankruptcy. So you can apply if you have bad credit, limited credit, or no credit at all. And even if you have a prior bankruptcy. Also, if you are approved, you will receive your card. If you do not receive the card within 20, you can call them. They have 24/7 support for lost and stolen cards. Okay, so in order to apply, you're going to click right here where it says pre-qualify now. This is on the home page. Again, this will not impact your soft pull. It won't show up on your credit score whatsoever. Report. I'm going to put in your name, address, email, phone number, date of birth, and social. And that is it. You're going to click on pre-qualify now, and then they're going to tell you whether or not you are approved. Now, keep in mind, if it says that you are approved, it is not guaranteed that you are actually approved. The pre-qualification is simply a pre-qualification. If they say that you are qualified, then you're going to select the offer and actually enter in the rest of your information, like your income and stuff like that. That is then going to determine whether you are actually approved for the credit card. They have two different offers. They have the Plat 100 and then they have the Plat 101. The Plat 100 has a 24.9 annual percentage rate, or APR. For cash advances is 29.9%. Now keep this in mind, a lot of people do not read this stuff here. They just apply for stuff. Your due date for this card is going to be at least 25 days after the close of each billing cycle. They will not charge you any interest on purchases if you pay the entire balance by the due date of each month. They will begin charging you interest on cash advances on the transaction date. And the minimum interest is cents, so they will not charge you less than 50 cents. They do have an annual fee of $59. So for example, if your initial credit line is $300, your initial available credit will be only $241. So their cash advance fee is $0 during your first year. After your first year, it's going to either be $5 or 5% of the amount of each transaction, whichever is greater, not exceeding $100. They have a foreign transaction fee of $1, late payment fee of $40, overdraft or over limit fee is $40, and then the return payment fee is $40 as well. So the credit limit for a Destiny MasterCard is $300. Also, for the Plat 101 offer, they do have a little bit different fees on there. The annual APR is the same. The cash advance APR is the same. Penalty APR is the same. The only difference is the annual fees are a little higher on the Plat 101. So the first year it is $75, and then the years after that it'll be $99. And again, the credit limit is $300. So you'll start off with $5. Also, here's a tip. Since they are incorporating the annual fee into that credit limit, as soon as you get your first statement, pay that annual fee right away to avoid late payments or a late fee on your account, because the late fees are up to $40. So this is for building credit. If you don't need to build credit, or you don't have bad credit, you're not trying to rebuild your credit, this is probably not for you. This is for people who have bankruptcy, they have limited credit, no credit, or bad credit. This is to help rebuild credit if you don't have any credit at all. So make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos about personal credit, business grants, and more. Also, like this video if you found this video valuable. Also, stay tuned for the next video. The next video uploaded after this video will be a video about this particular company or this particular financial institution that allows you to have a checking account with them, and it allows you to build credit at the same time. It's a really cool digital bank that allows you to build credit with your checking account, and they have no fees on the checking account side, so it comes with a lot of benefits. So watch the next video that is uploaded right after this video.